Hey adventurers, welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your ultimate guide to off-road gear, mods, and recovery essentials. Today, we're diving into the best winches for Jeep Gladiator, from heavy-duty monsters to budget-friendly performers. Whether you're tackling rocky trails, muddy swamps, or towing on the open road, we've lined up the top 5 winches that every Gladiator owner should know about. Stick around till the end to find out which one might be the perfect fit for your next adventure. Number 5. Nilight 9,500 pounds winch. For Jeep Gladiator owners seeking a budget-friendly but reliable option, the Nilight 9,500 pounds electric winch delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. Featuring a synthetic rope and hose fair lead, it provides smooth operation and safer handling compared to steel cables. With an IP68 waterproof rating, it's built to withstand mud, rain, and harsh off-road conditions. This winch includes both a wired handle and wireless remote, giving you flexibility when operating in different recovery situations. Customers praise its easy installation and lightweight design, which makes it a great option for Jeep owners who don't need the extreme pulling capacities of larger models but still want dependable performance for weekend adventures. The Nilight 9,500 pounds winch is ideal for light to medium recovery tasks and offers excellent value for money. It's a smart choice for Gladiator drivers who want reliability without going overboard on cost or weight. Number 4. OPENROAD 13,500 pounds winch. The OPENROAD 13,500 pounds recovery winch from the Panther Series 3S is built for Jeep Gladiator owners who want a blend of power, durability, and advanced control options. Equipped with a synthetic rope and 2 wireless remotes, this winch ensures you can operate it safely from multiple positions, which is especially handy during solo recoveries. Its IP68 waterproof rating makes it highly resistant to water, mud, and dirt, ideal for trail runs in unpredictable conditions. Users appreciate the smooth rope handling and fast line speed, which cuts down recovery time. The heavy-duty motor and precision gears provide reliable strength, while the rugged casing gives it a professional off-road look that matches the Gladiator's adventurous spirit. The OPENROAD Panther Series balances serious pulling strength with user-friendly features, making it an excellent all-around option for Jeep Gladiator owners who want confidence on every trip. Number 3. CXRCY 20,000 pounds winch. If you need serious pulling capacity, the CXRCY 20,000 pounds electric winch is one of the most powerful options for Jeep Gladiator owners. Built with a synthetic rope and supported by both wired handle and wireless remote, this winch is designed for extreme recovery scenarios, whether you're hauling another truck or pulling your Gladiator from deep swampy terrain. The synthetic rope is strong yet lightweight, offering safer handling compared to traditional steel cables. Customers highlight how well it handles heavy loads without fraying, and its smooth spooling prevents jams during recovery. Its heavy-duty motor and gear system provide efficient pulling strength, ensuring consistent performance even under maximum load. While the CXRCY's sheer size and power may be overkill for casual trail riders, it's a perfect match for Jeep Gladiator owners who tackle extreme off-road adventures, heavy towing, or rescue operations. Number 2. VEVOR 12,000 pounds winch. The VEVOR 12,000 pounds electric winch is built for Jeep Gladiator owners who prefer the durability of a steel cable over synthetic rope. With an 85 feet/26 heavy-duty cable, this winch provides extended reach and a strong grip for pulling in tough recovery situations. It's powered by a 12V motor that delivers consistent torque, making it ideal for Jeep trucks, ATVs, and heavy trailers. Off-road enthusiasts appreciate its wireless remote control, which offers safe operation from a distance. The winch also includes a manual clutch for smooth engagement and disengagement of the gear system. Its sturdy housing and powerful motor make it reliable for long pulls, while the steel cable ensures maximum resistance against abrasion, rocks, and rough terrain. This winch is especially suitable for Jeep Gladiator owners who frequently tow or face challenging off-road environments where strength and rugged durability are a priority. Number 1. ORCISH 13,000 pounds winch. The ORCISH 13,000 pounds winch is a powerhouse designed for serious Jeep Gladiator owners who need maximum pulling strength. With a 13,000 pounds capacity and synthetic rope, it's engineered for heavy-duty recovery tasks, from pulling your Gladiator out of deep mud to hauling trailers with confidence. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures it performs in rain, snow, or even when submerged in water crossings. This model includes a multifunction wireless remote along with a wired option, giving you flexibility and safety during recovery. Users highlight how smooth the synthetic rope is compared to steel cables, lighter, safer, and less prone to snapping under load. The Haas Fairlead makes rope management efficient, while the rugged design ensures it stands up to long-term off-road abuse. For Jeep Gladiator owners who want strength and reliability, the ORCISH 13,000 pounds is a must-have addition to their recovery gear. Thanks for watching Adventure Jeep. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our latest off-road gear reviews and Jeep upgrades. Drop a comment below and let us know, which winch are you planning to install on your Jeep Gladiator? Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and remember, every Jeep deserves a winch.